So the package has finally arrived. What is going on YouTube? It is your boy, that sneaker MI, back with another video. In today's video, we finally have the long-awaited Yeezy Qntm basketball. Finally, I never thought this shoe would see the light of the day until this past February. Now, before I actually unbox the shoes, let's talk about the shoes a little bit. As you guys know, for the past few years, Ye has actually teased an upcoming basketball sneaker, a Yeezy basketball sneaker. Now, this sneaker has seen a bunch of different prototypes and samples, as well as different colorways and mock-ups. Now, like I said, I never thought this shoe would see the light of the day. We have all been waiting for it. So February All-Star Weekend, this shoe actually got a public release. It was a Chicago only, Ye's hometown, All-Star Weekend, February 2020. Now what's crazy is everybody that got this shoe back in All-Star Weekend in Chicago, able to get it through Foot Locker, or if you were lucky enough to get it for free in the shops that were going around the city, which I think was absolutely dope. There's even people trading their own shoes to get the shoes, which is kind of weird because, you know, you're getting it for free, so why trade your shoes? The shoe has seen multiple prototypes, multiple samples, multiple colorways, and honestly guys, I am so excited to wear these. What I like about them so much is how futuristic they are. You guys see it right there. Now if you took an L, like a majority of the people did, these shoes were actually reselling for a crazy amount of money. As predicted, this is a highly anticipated model, and Yeezy actually got a worldwide release September 5th. And you know, we take nothing but L's over here, unfortunately, so I did have to pay resale, but it was an amazing price. So here it is. There it is. So here it is, guys. You got the Yeezy basketball in the Qntm colorway. And you already know who did us right, man. They're the GOAT for a reason. So yeah, here they are. The Yeezy basketball Qntm. Now what's interesting is this whole back panel right here is 3M, which this is the lifestyle version. There's actually a performance edition out there that hasn't seen a public release, but obviously the pattern is different, the ankle support is different. Due to it being a performance edition, it actually has to perform on court, whereas this is the lifestyle edition for casual wear. Yeah, the shoe does feature full length boost, as you can see right there. Beautiful shoe, super futuristic. This whole toe panel right here, which is actually the same Fang toe box as all the 700 Yeezys. All suede, prime knit upper. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe. That's Sneaker MI signing out.